In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute a grade. This can be really useful during finals to put the grades in early and get it done, but not let the students actually see it until they maybe come into class when you're actually showing them the grades. So we'll create an assignment, which I know we've already done, but doing it multiple times isn't bad, so I'll create an assignment up here. Let's just call it muting grades. And the points is fine, under assignments is fine, and due date. And you might think actually that down here you don't want to publish it, but you can still hit save and publish. When you do save and publish, though, the students can see the grades when you input them. So go to grades, and your assignment will be there. But if you hover over the assignment right here, you see this little black arrow shows up. And if you click on it, you have a lot of options right here. The option we, of course, want is at the very bottom, mute assignment. So when you do this, it'll basically say, are you sure you want to do this? The students can't see it. And of course, yes, we do. So the nice thing is you can actually enter in grades for this. Let's say Emily got a 10 out of 10. And you can get work done on your end, but they won't be able to see it. So again, for the sake of finals and the final grade, this thing kind of avoid emails before even showing them the grades in class, which is a really nice feature. Of course, when you then do want to show the assignments, let's say when they do walk into class, go back down to this, and now it's not mute assignment anymore, it's unmute assignment. Click that, and then once you do this, if the grades are in there, all of the students can then check Canvas to see their grades.